Hi, today we are going to talk about the Stampin' Cut and Emboss mini die cutting sandwiches. Your machine will come with multiple plates to get started. The two clear mini cutting plates, the mini base plate, the standard embossing folder plate, and the 3D embossing folder plate. Other plates and accessories are also available to purchase separately, like the magnetic plate, which is also in a mini version. You will notice that our plates are now numbered. This is to help you know which plate to use and the order it goes in quickly when making your sandwich. When die cutting, your sandwich will look like this. Your base plate goes first, number 1. Then you will add your cutting plate, number 2. Your paper comes next, followed by your die, and finally your other cutting plate, number 2, to complete your die cutting sandwich. Our cutting plates are strong and durable, but you will want to make sure you are using both sides of the plates periodically when you are crafting to help keep them straight. You can use the full surface of the plates as well. Your dies do not need to be placed in the middle every time. Run it through your adorable mini machine and you will have a perfect die cut. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Stampin' Cut and Emboss mini machine.